Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my kitchen and my channel. Today we are making vegan burger patties. So I'm making this with masoor dal or lentils, and they have the covers on, and that's the reason they are lower in net carbs. So this is about 1 cup of lentil, and we are going to have like 3 cups of cooked lentils from 1 cup that I'm soaking and cooking. I have washed it. So I soaked this overnight, and this is what it looks like after 8 to 10 hours. The color changes, they plump up a little bit, and these are delicious lentils. Trust me, even more than the ones which are peeled or without the cover. These taste much better, they taste very meaty. So if you guys haven't tried it, please run to the Indian store and buy these and try these out. So here I have a pressure cooker, I have some meat cooking on the bottom, so ignore that. What I'm doing here is I have put this in a strainer and then I'm cooking it on pressure. So that way your lentils will not be very watery or it won't have much liquid, because the recipe that we're using this for, we don't want it to be running. So here are our lentils after about 10 minutes of cooking. That's what they look like. So you can see they are cooked really well, but they don't have much water. That's the way to cook it. Now we are going to use this along with some mushrooms and some baby spinach. I'm taking 1 cup of mushrooms, washed it and kept it, and about 1 cup of baby spinach. You can use any vegetables that you like. If you eat carrots, you can add that. I don't want to increase the carb value of the meal. Now I am going to talk about whether lentils are keto friendly. Like I said, 1 cup of cooked lentils is about 13 grams of net carbs, which is not too much. You can eat 1 cup and then you can eat it with some spinach or a side which is really low carb. So if you're eating about 30 grams of net carbs a day on keto, which a lot of people eat up to 50 grams of net carbs too, you can definitely fit this in, because this is not the only thing you're going to eat. You can eat this along with loads of vegetables, you can eat it with fat, you can eat it with a keto roti, which is pretty filling. Also, we are going to be adding psyllium husk in this, which is a fiber, and that fills you up too, so you won't end up eating as much as you think you will. So this is a great substitute if you are not a meat lover. I have about 2 tablespoons of onions. I've chopped my spinach and my mushrooms, and I am going to cook this in a pan. So here we have about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, to which I have added my onions and ginger garlic paste, then the mushrooms, and cooking this till it is completely dry. So it's up to you how you cook it. Add a little bit of salt here. I forgot to show you the flavorings in my beans. So I added about 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. So the mushroom and spinach mixture. Then I have mashed it up and used my hands and mash it up really well to mix all of this. Give it a taste. For seasoning, you can add a little salt if you want at this point. And then with your hands, you can form any kinds of shapes depending on what you're going to save. You can make vegan sheikh kebabs, which was the long shape. Then this is a shami kebab kind of thing. Burger patties, which are larger. I'm using an ice cream scoop here so that you get an idea of how big you're making your burger patty. There was another smaller patty that I made, which you can serve as a starter. And did I mention that these are delicious? So anyways, forming my patties, and I'm going to cook this in some olive oil. So here is a cast iron pan, to which I've added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm putting my patties in, and I have pressed them a little bit so that they touch the pan. The finger marks go away. And now you can see the different shapes that I have made. And here I have a couple of toothpicks, and I have put the patty mixture around it to kind of make a tiny cocktail sausage shape so that people can hold on to it. So you can also make a lollipop shape. Look at how beautiful the patties look, and they have crisped up on the outside. The psyllium husk is absolutely required to hold the patty together, because I do get a lot of questions about it. It's a natural fiber, it's good for you. So please buy it, and it's dirt cheap, at least in India. Now our patties are ready, and I'm going to serve this with a yogurt dip. So I have some hung curd, or you can use Greek yogurt, to which I added salt, little bit of lemon juice, coriander, little bit of garlic. Mix this up completely, and I'm serving this with that. You can also add some cucumber that you grate and take all the water out of it, and that's another raita kind of preparation that goes really well with this. And I hope you guys enjoy this. If you've liked the recipe, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click the notification bell to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. Look at that. It is a hit in my house. Please try it, guys, and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.